Alan, Ericsson reported quarterly results today, and the market is responding unhappily to them. I think one issue that's on a lot of people's minds is how Ericsson is going to respond to the proposed merger between two of its great rivals, Nokia and Alcatel-Lucent.
I think the results today really just focus a little bit on the company's margins. The operating margins were down quite a bit because of Forex things. And gross margins too were also down. But I think that's the big issue here is where does Ericsson go from here? Before they could follow their organic path to build up new businesses, does this Nokia-Alcatel deal change things?
So tell me a little bit, why don't you expand a little bit on the businesses they're in and where they're looking for growth?
Well, the big area for Ericsson and Nokia has been the wireless equipment area, you know, the cellular stations, that sort of thing. It's been kind of a slow business, it's a tough business. Ericsson's overall sales have been flat since 2011. Operating margins have slid during that time. You know, so there's some pressure on their business. Where do they go from here?
Yeah, exactly.
And where do they go from here is internet protocol equipment, routers, switchers, that sort of thing, servers that help their customers converge a fixed line business, a mobile business into the fixed line, you know, and get that sort of backhaul into the internet.
But that's sort of precisely the problem they have in terms of the merger. Nokia is getting a lot stronger in internet protocol equipment and software. So how can Ericsson respond?
Ericsson so far has gone down an organic route, is what you would call it. They're trying to build up their own thing. They have made acquisitions in the past, smaller ones, but that was a while ago. They would prefer to keep down that route. Nokia's move has taken them into Alcatel. Alcatel has a fifth of the global market in routers, for instance. It's a higher margin business. That's a challenge. Now, you know, Ericsson is facing, you know, a different group of companies.
But I would argue this is also an opportunity for for Ericsson, right? They are now have a major competitor who's going to be distracted getting a major complicated acquisition done, integrating it and so forth.
Yeah, and I think what we would argue is that Ericsson just probably should stay the course for now, watch and see how Nokia and Alcatel deal with this closing the merger and you know, any integration. That's got to be distracting. This is an opportunity for Ericsson to possibly take some maybe market share or certainly drive their business forward, okay? Otherwise, they might be tempted to do some other acquisition that would catch them up with their competitors, something like Juniper of the States. I'm not sure that's, well, it doesn't seem to be what Ericsson wants to do right now, and I'm not sure it's the right thing right now.
We'll hope that they stay the course, the organic course. Thanks very much, Alan.